सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वकनमस्काराः. Welcome to class 93 of Learn to Chant Bhagavad Gita webinar. Kshamyatam, my due apologies. I wasn't able to log in today. There was some technical difficulty with the password, and after multiple attempts, I had to contact our team in Vyoma who came and helped me here. So I could not log in immediately. So Dr. Soumya Bhagini helped us with logging in. Thank you so much to her. So sorry, very sorry for the delay today in starting the webinar. So I hope you're able to see the screen now. As announced, we are going to have mock assessments today. So we are going to have this for a few weeks starting from today. So like we had announced, the actual assessment is going to be in June. So the dates will be announced today, and we will also send you an email regarding that. From today onwards, we will have mock assessments, and I've also received an email from some of you requesting me to chant the Dhyana Shlokaha, as some of you are not able to find the playlist where all the Dhyana Shlokaha have been chanted at a stretch. And like we have mentioned before, Dhyana Shlokaha are also a part of the portion for all the three categories. So what I would do is, maybe in the next class or so, I will chant the Dhyana Shlokaha, all of them, along with the Gita Mahatmyam Shlokaha also. There are, I think, about 20 or 21 Gita Mahatmyam Shlokaha. So I will again send out an email prior to the webinar telling you which class we will be doing that. So one class I will chant all the shlokas at a stretch. So let me just start with Mangalam and a few of the Dhyana Shlokaha. Then, as announced, please raise your hand, and we will go into the mock assessments. And also the rules regarding the criteria for judgment, etc. also I will be telling you today. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे, गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे, न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः, मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो। नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं, देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं, देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णौ वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्। पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवता नारायणेन स्वयं, व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम्, अद्वैतामृतवर्षिणीं भगवतीम् अष्टादशाध्यायिनीम् अम्ब त्वामनुसन्दधामि भगवद्गीते भवद्वेषिणीम्। नमोऽस्तु ते व्यासविशालबुद्धे, फुल्लारविन्दायतपत्रनेत्र, येन त्वया भारततैलपूर्णः प्रज्वालितो ज्ञानमयः प्रदीपः। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुल्लङ्घयते गिरिं, यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। सर्वोपनिषदो गावः दोग्धा गोपालनन्दनः, पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर्भोक्ता दुग्धं गीतामृतं महत्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाधारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिभिर्ध्यानगम्यं वन्दे विष्णुं भवभयहरं सर्वलोकैकनाथं यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्ररुद्रमरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैस्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुः सुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः। धृतराष्ट्र उवाच धर्मक्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेतायुयुत्सवः मामकाः पाण्डवाश्चैव किमकुर्वत सञ्जय. Just a few things some of you have mentioned. Gita Mahatmyam, like I said, I'll be sending out an email in which class we will have it, either next week or after that, along with the Dhyana Shlokaha. And the Google form, which has the names for the participants, we have disabled sharing the form right now, so it is not for public viewership. Only those in Vyoma will be able to view the form. Once you have registered, your names will be there. You would have received an email saying that you have successfully registered. Please also check your spam folder. It might be there, so don't worry, your name would be there in the registration list. And Gita Mahatmyam verses are not included in the assessment. This is just for your reference. I will share the verses on the screen and I will chant either next class or after that. They are not included in the assessment. Mala Kondaya Mahodaya says all Dhyana Shlokas are available in class number 40. So please check that, all of you. Please go to session 40. All the Dhyana Shlokas are available in that. So please go through that. Before we start the mock assessment, a few important things to note. Please note that what we are having now is only a mock assessment. This is not the final assessment. I received a few emails asking me about the registrations and the name order of registrations, etc. for today. No one has registered for today's mock assessment. The Google sheet which was sent out to you, the Google online form, is for the final assessment, which will be in June next month. This is only a mock assessment, a demonstration, a practice for all of you to see how the actual assessment would be. Of course, the main difference is that in the actual assessment, it would be on Zoom and you are required to compulsorily share your video camera. Whereas here today, we are doing it on the webinar platform itself. So we will only be listening to your audio. But for the final assessment, you have to compulsorily share your webcams. And also, just a few things about the assessment. The dates, like all of you were asking, for full Kantapata, that is Kantapata is full memorization of all the 18 chapters of the Gita. The date is 26th June from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. On Saturdays. All these are on Saturdays itself. We've stuck to the same day of the week. So 26th June, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. is for full memorization. Partial memorization, there are various categories like you know, and for everyone it is on 19th June. And full Parayanam, that is reading assessment of all the 18 chapters, that is on 12th June from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. There are more rules also which will be shared by email. This you already know. Memorization full, all 18 chapters. I already told you. Partial assessment, Parayanam, and you can only choose one of the 3 categories. Once you've already included a category, you will be judged under that particular category, whichever you have indicated in the registration form. And also the verses will not be displayed on the screen for Parayanam. Of course, for memorization, you are supposed to chant from memory, but for Parayanam reading, verses will not be displayed. Please get your own copy of the Gita, soft copy or hard copy, and please also get the Dhyana Shlokaha, all the Dhyana Shlokaha. For revision, I've been sending out the email multiple times for a playlist of our class recordings and the revision playlist. So please refer to that. The assessment criteria, which is very important. So this Smaranam or memory, of course, is only for those who are taking part in memorization. Once, if you're not taking part in memorization, for reading, this first criterion will not be there. So Smaranam or memory is how well you're able to recite from memory, and including the continuation of the verses. Meaning, if we give you one verse, then Adveshta Sarva Bhutanam, just for example, 12th chapter, you will have to chant that verse, continue chanting till the judges ask you to stop. So the order of the verses also you should remember. Then Spashtata or clarity in pronunciation includes adherence to all the rules of pronouncing, including Alpa Pranaha, Maha Pranaha. Every Alpa Prana, Maha Prana will be judged. So every mistake will be noted and you will be marked accordingly. Alpa Prana, Maha Prana, Hrasva, that is short letter, Dirgha, Sandhi, everything will be included in this. Raga or tune, you can stick to any tune. Whatever we learn in class is also okay, provided you follow the same tune throughout. And also please maintain the same pitch. In any pitch you can start, whichever pitch you're comfortable with, but please see to it that you maintain the tune and pitch throughout your chanting. And next is Bhava and Nirargalata, that is mostly referring to your presentation, that is the confidence with which you present, and your fluency. Like even for reading, you should be very fluent in reading the verses. If you keep getting stuck everywhere, trying to go back and see if that is the right way to read it, all that will be taken into account. So these are the broad criteria on which you are going to be judged. So please keep all these things in mind. Now, for the mock assessment, again, I'm not going to display the verses on the screen like I had told you. So I hope you all have your own copies of the Gita. Yes, Shyam Prasad Mahodaya, you can attempt each category progressively, in the sense that you could take up few, but the assessment registration date is already closed. It was on April 2nd, I think. But that is the point. So you can take certain chapters this time and memorize. We hope to have these assessments regularly every year, so then you can progressively take part in other chapters also. Is the final assessment on just one day or more than one day? It's going to be just on 3 days, as in on 3 Saturdays, but 3 different categories. So one day for Parayanam, that is reading assessment, one day for memorization assessment, full memorization, and one day for partial memorization. So that is exactly what I showed you just now. Okay, I did not fill the form. Can I still participate? That we will have to check, because we wanted to close the registrations by April 2nd. So I will check internally and get back if still the registrations are, I mean, if we still can accept due to certain circumstances, if you're not able to register by then. I will check regarding that and then let you know. And also, it is not possible to give you exact slots, as in your exact time for assessment. So it would be better if you're present for the entire time. Of course, if you're in a different time zone, when it is very inconvenient for you, it is midnight or it is very late at night or very early morning, we will definitely have exceptions, and we will give you a convenient time slot within those 2 hours or see what can be done. But If you are in India or in a convenient time zone, then there are no exceptions. All of you will have to be present for those 2 hours, and your name will be called. The slide says partial memorization includes Gita Dhyana Shlokaha. Yes, partial memorization includes Gita Dhyana Shlokaha also. The Dhyana Shlokaha are included for all the 3 categories. Whether we accept fresh registrations, I will have to find out and get back, because I really can't give an answer right now. We will have the same rule for everyone. How many verses will we be asked to chant? So it depends on the time. Each person might be judged for say 10 to 15 minutes. Of course, for full Kantapata, I think we are going to have half an hour per person or something like that. So that might take long for all the 18 chapters. But for the others, this is for memorization, I'm saying, for memorizing all 18 chapters. But even for partial memorization and for reading assessment, it won't be so long. It might be 10 to 15 minutes per person. So around say 15 to 20 shlokas per person, but really depends on the time. So it could be more than that also. Today is not the first day of class. Today is in fact one of the concluding classes, but you could continue to attend. We will have classes for the whole of May. Next month, we are going to have assessments. Will you be able to hear others during the assessment? Yes, you will all be able to see and hear others during the assessment. Of course, no prompting, and we will send you the rules separately, and you have to be on mute when others are chanting, but you definitely can wait and listen to others chanting. You will also know how the assessment is being conducted. So having said that, let us start with the mock assessment today to give you a feel of it. We'll have more in the coming weeks. Is there anyone here who has registered for full Kantapata, that is all the 18 chapters memorization? We have a few registrations for that. If anybody is here who has registered for that, please let me know. I would like to call out your name first. How many people will be concurrently chanting? The thing is, we will have the assessment is going to be on Zoom. So we will have breakout rooms. So each room will have a few participants, a few competitors, and only one competitor is going to chant at a time for a set of judges. Whereas there might be, especially for Parayanam, that is reading all 18 chapters, we are going to have parallelly in different rooms, because we have many registrations for that. So more than 150, I think. Overall, I think about 260 plus registrations so far. So we cannot do just in one room with just few judges. So we are going to parallelly have rooms, and we will tell you which breakout room you have to go into, and it will just be one person in each breakout room chanting at a time. Okay. Janani Shri Karthik Bhagini, you have registered for all 18 Kantapata. We will have multiple judges, so we will have multiple judges doing it, so we will be able to cover in 2 hours. Like I said, parallelly there will be multiple judges judging in different rooms. It won't be just one set of judges for all the 200 plus registrants. Janani Shri Bhagini, could you raise your hand in case you want to take part in the mock assessment? Janani Shri Bhagini, please unmute. Okay, it says self-muted. Okay, never mind. Is there anyone who is here who has given your name for partial memorization, and who wants to take part today in the mock assessment? Parayanam I will ask in the end because there are many for that. Partial memorization, anyone? Manju Balaji Mahodaya, partial memorization, okay. Please unmute.
Ram Guruji.
Ram, which chapters have you given registered for?
Guruji have given for 13, 14 and 15 chapters.
13, 14 and 15. Okay. Can you start with Parthaya? The first.
Sure, Guruji. Sure. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Puranamuninam Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitaamritavarshiniim Bhagavatim Ashtadashaadhyayiniim Ambha Tvamanusamdadhami Bhagavad-gite Bhavadveshiniim Namostute.
It is Amba. Bha is not Mahaprana there. Ba is Alpa Prana. Okay, so these things please note because every Alpa Prana Mahaprana counts.
Okay, Guruji.
Okay, yes, you can continue.
Namostute Vyasa Vishala Buddhe Hullaravindayata Patra Netra Yena Tvaya Bharata Taila Purnaha Prajwalito Jnanamaya Pradipaha Prapanna Parijataya Totravetraikapanaya Jnanamudraya Krishnaya Geetamritaduhe Namaha Vasudeva Sutam.
13th chapter.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
Atha त्रयोदशोऽध्यायः क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञविभागयोगः श्रीभगवानुवाच इदं शरीरं कौन्तेय क्षेत्रमित्यभिधीयते एतद्यो वेत्ति तं प्राहुः क्षेत्रज्ञ इति तद्विदः क्षेत्रज्ञं चापि मां विद्धि सर्वक्षेत्रेषु भारत क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञयोर्ज्ञानं यत्तज्ज्ञानं मतं मम तत्क्षेत्रं यच्च यादृक् यद्विकारि यतश्च यत् स च यो यत्प्रभावश्च तत्समासेन मे शृणु इन्द्रियार्थेषु वैराग्यम् अनहङ्कार एव च जन्म मृत्युजरा व्याधि दुःखदोषानुदर्शनम् असक्तिरनभिष्वङ्गः पुत्रदारगृहादिषु नित्यं च समचित्तत्वम् इष्टानिष्टोपपत्तिषु मयि चानन्य
Putradaragrihadishu. It is not Putradaragrih. There is no ag there. There is no second g. Putradaragrihadishu.
Okay, Guruji.
Okay.
Putradaragrihadishu nityam cha samachittattvam ishtanishtopapatishu मयि चानन्य योगेन तिरव्यभिचारिणी विविक्तदेशसेवित्वम् अरतिर्जनसंसदि अध्यात्मज्ञान. Guruji, I didn't hear you.
यावत् संजायते.
Okay. यावत् संजायते किञ्चित् सत्त्वं स्थावरजङ्गमम् क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञसंयोगात् तद्विद्धि भरतर्षभ. समं सर्वेषु भूतेषु तिष्ठन्तं परमेश्वरं विनश्यत्स्व विनश्यन्तं यः पश्यति स पश्यति समं पश्यन् हि सर्वत्र समवस्थितमीश्वरं न हि नस्त्यात्मनात्मानं ततो याति परां गतिम्. क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञयोरेवम् अन्तरं ज्ञानचक्षुषा. There are two kshetra.
Yeah. So if there is any confusion like that, if there are two shlokas from the same pada or similar words, then you can ask the judge which one it is. Okay. Sometimes to test you, they might say shloka. Even for example, I think in the 18th chapter and in the first few chapters there are shlokas starting from same words. So you can continue with jnana chakshusha. Kshetra kshetrajnayoram antaram jnana chakshusha.
Okay ma'am. क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञयोरेवम् अन्तरं ज्ञानचक्षुषा भूतप्रकृतिमोक्षं च ये विदुर्यान्ति ते परम्. ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुन संवादे क्षेत्रक्षेत्रज्ञविभागयोगो नाम त्रयोदशोऽध्यायः. अथ चतुर्दशोऽध्यायः. श्रीभगवानुवाच परं भूयः
गुणत्रयविभागयोगः.
गुणत्रयविभागयोगः. श्रीभगवानुवाच परं भूयः प्रवक्ष्यामि ज्ञानानां ज्ञानमुत्तमम् यज्ञात्वा मुनयः सर्वे परां सिद्धिमितो गताः. रजोरागात्मकं विद्धि तृष्णासङ्गसमुद्भवम् तन्निबध्नाति कौन्तेय कर्मसङ्गेन देहिनम्. तमस्त्वज्ञानजं विद्धि मोहनं सर्वदेहिनां प्रमादालस्य निद्राभिः तन्निबध्नाति भारत. सत्त्वं सुखे गुणानेतानतीत्यत्रीन् देही देहसमुद्भवान् जन्म मृत्युजरा दुःखैः विमुक्तो मृतमश्नुते. अर्जुन उवाच ततः पदं तत्परिमार्गितव्यम् यस्मिन् गता न निवर्तन्ति भूयः तमेव चाद्यं पुरुषं प्रपद्ये यतः प्रवृत्तिः प्रसृता पुराणी निर्माणमोहाजितसङ्गदोषाः अध्यात्मनित्या विनिवृत्तकामाः द्वन्द्वैर्विमुक्ताः सुखदुःखसंज्ञैः गच्छन्तमूढाः पदमव्ययं तत् न तद्भासयते सूर्यः न शशाङ्को न पावकः यद्गत्वा न निवर्तन्ते तद्धाम परमं मम
धन्यवादाः
ममैवा
धन्यवादाः well chanted.
धन्यवादः
Some of you are also
धन्यवादः गुरुजी
chanted well. So some of the participants are saying that you have chanted well. Dhanyavadaha. So this is just a sample for you. This for how it's going to be conducted, how the partial memorization test is going to be. So you might be asked to chant
Okay.
more than this also for the benefit of
Okay,
everyone
Guruji.
listening here. So most of her Mahapranas and most of her pronunciation, apart from just one or two places which I showed, everything was perfect. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. All the best. Shubham Bhuyat.
Thank you, Guruji. Guruji, one more thing. Like, I have opted for another category also, 10, 11, 12. So, we'll have mock assessments on that also as well. Guruji?
Not really. I mean, yes, you can chant maybe in the next few classes because we have quite
Sure,
a few.
sure.
So
Sure. Yeah.
I'll be picking up. Let's see if you have time, then you can also, we'll see, we can give you a chance for 10, 11, 12 also.
Sure,
Dhanyavadaha.
Guruji. Yeah. Dhanyavadaha.
Okay. Let me finish with the ones who are taking part in the memorization. Then I will come back to Parayanam because there are quite a few of you for that. Let me see. Anyone else has said they're taking part in memorization? Panishri Bhagini, you want to try which? Panishri Bhagini, please unmute. Panishri Kavi.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram. Which chapters have you registered for?
I have registered for 10th, 11th and 12th. Actually, I registered for 13, 14, 15 also, but I am practicing 10, 11, 12. Now I am thorough only with 12th chapter.
Okay, I will ask you from 12th chapter for now. Please recite the Dhyana Shloka Yam Brahma.
Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutaha.
Louder. Unable to hear.
Actually, I did not practice Jnana Sloka also, but I will try. I know it.
Okay. No worries. I will give you 12th chapter only. Please start with 12th chapter. Please start with the introduction.
Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha Atha द्वादशोऽध्यायः भक्तियोगः अर्जुन उवाच एवं सततयुक्ता ये भक्तास्त्वां पर्युपासते ये चाप्यक्षरमव्यक्तं तेषां के योगवित्तमाः श्रीभगवानुवाच मय्यावेश्य मनो ये मां नित्ययुक्ता उपासते श्रद्धया परयोपेताः ते मे युक्ततमा मताः ये त्वक्षरमनिर्देश्यम् अव्यक्तं पर्युपासते सर्वत्र गमचिन्त्यं च कूटस्थमचलं ध्रुवम् सन्नियं येन्द्रियग्रामम्
Bhagini, could you chant Samashchatrau cha?
समशत्रौ च मित्रे च तथा मानापमानयोः शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु समः सङ्गविवर्जितः
Continue.
निन्दास्तुतिर्मौनी सन्तुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतः स्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः
You
ये
can
तु
combine the sandhi. Aniketastiramatihi. We could combine the sandhi also there. Okay. Next one.
ये तु धर्म्यामृतमिदं यथोक्तं पर्युपासते श्रद्धधाना मत्परमाः भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रियाः ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे
Brahma, it is Brahma. Ba is Alpa Prana. It is not Brahma.
ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे भक्तियोगो नाम द्वादशोऽध्यायः श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। भगिनि
द्वादशोऽध्यायः
द्वादशोऽध्यायः श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
Uttamam Bhagini. Just please be more confident when you start the next verse, because sometimes you took a pause, you try to recollect. So all these things will be taken into account. You started the verse correctly, but please practice so that you're confident as to which is the next verse. Okay. So all this will also be taken into account. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Next. Some of you want to change from whatever you have registered for. I don't know if that would be allowed. Let me just check on that also. Anyone else? I'm just trying to see who has. Adarsh Tadvai Mahodaya, I think you have also given your name for. Adarsh Tadvai Mahodaya, please unmute. Have you given your name for memorization, Mahodaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, which chapter?
1, 2, 3 and 13, 14, 15, but I'm not sure with one. Next time I will try one also. So,
okay, so which chapter you are confident? Tell me, I will ask you from that chapter.
15th one, only one means.
Only one now. For now, you're confident with one chapter.
No, ma'am. I'm confident with 5. You can
5,
ask, but
okay.
with some, I think. I'm not sure. I'll try, ma'am.
So you can chant 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 2, 3.
Yes, ma'am. I'm confident with 2, 3 also.
Okay, then we'll do one thing. Please chant the Dhyana Shloka Sarvopanishado Gavaha.
Sarvopanishado Gavaha Dogdha Gopala Nandanaha Partho Vatsasudhir Bhoktaha Duktham Geetamritam Mahat.
Here it is. Partho Vatsasudhir Bhokta. It is not Bhoktaha. It is Bhokta. Once again, Sarvopanishado.
Sarvopanishado Gavaha Dogdha Gopala Nandanaha Partho Vatsasudhir Bhokta Duktham Geetamritam Mahat.
Here also Amritam, the pronunciation of the word, it shouldn't be heard as Amritam. There is no second M there. It is Amritam. Geetamritam Mahat. Okay. Okay, Mahodaya.
Geetamritam Mahat.
This Amritam is one word which all of you should note. Sometimes we tend to pronounce it as Amritam. There is no second M. It is Amritam. So there is no second M there. It's only Amritam. Okay. Could you please chant Nasato Vidyate.
Nasato Vidyate Bhavaha Na Bhavo Vidyate Sataha Ubhayorapi Drustontaha Tvanayos Tattvadarshibhihi
It is not drishtontah, it is drishtontah. Shta. Drishtontah.
उभयोरपि दृष्टोऽन्तः अनयोस्तत्त्वदर्शिभिः अविनाशितु तद्विद्धि येन सर्वमिदन्ततम् विनाशमव्ययस्यास्य न कश्चित् कर्तुमर्हति अन्तवन्त इमे देहाः नित्यस्योक्ता शरीरिणः अनाशिनो प्रमेयस्य तस्माद्युध्यस्व भारत य एनं न जायते म्रियते वा कदाचित् नायं भूत्वा भविता वा न भूयः अजो नित्यः शाश्वतोऽयं पुराणः न हन्यते हन्यमाने शरीरे वेदा विनाशिनन् नित्यं य एनमजमव्ययम् कथं स पुरुषः पार्थ कङ्घातयति हन्तिकम् वातांसि जीर्णानि यथा विहाय नवानि गृह्णाति नरोपराणि तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णान्यन्यानि संयाति नवानि देहि.
Second, Mahodaya, one thing is you are changing the pitch, so please note that. Try to maintain the same pitch, please, throughout. It would be much better to listen also. In the raga or tune component, judges might consider this also, maintenance of the same pitch, whichever pitch you're comfortable with. Secondly, your na and nas, you should be more careful in this verse. Vasamsi jirnani, na and ni. So navani grinhati naroparani. So please be careful, all of you. These tips are for all of you actually. So this, if you listen to the assessment of others, you will also realize what are the common, places to improvise on. So na and na should be more clear, Mahodaya. That is one more observation. Next, could we listen to Indriyanam?
Indriyanam hi charatam yanmanonuvidhiyate tadasya harati prajna vayurnavamivambhasi.
Tadasya harati prajnam. Anuswara.
Tadasya harati prajnam vayurnavamivambhasi. तस्माद्यस्य महाबाहो निगृहीतानि सर्वशः इन्द्रियाणि इन्द्रियार्थेभ्यः तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता या निशा सर्वभूतानां तस्याञ्जागर्ति संयमी यस्याञ्जाग्रति भूतानि सा निशा पश्यतो मुनेः.
Okay, you can start with the Jayasi Chet.
Jayasi Chet.
Just one thing. See, some of you, if you have attended some competitions, you will know. To be very perfect, supposing it is a shloka, which is the first shloka after Arjuna Uvacha or Shri Bhagavan Uvacha, it would be better if you start with Arjuna Uvacha. Like for example, Jayasi Chet is the first shloka of the third chapter. So please start with Arjuna Uvacha. You can start from there.
Okay. Arjuna Uvacha Jayasi Chet Karmanaste Mata Buddhir Janardana Tatkin Karmani Ghore Mam Niyojayasi Keshava Nabuddhibhedam Janayet Ajnanam Karma Sanginam Joshayet Sarva Karmani Sangan Joshayet Sarva Karmani
Vidvan
Yuktas Samacharan.
Here again, Joshayet Sarva Karmani. Na, not ni, it is ni. Ni, please note the na there. Also, Mahodaya, please try to maintain the same pace. You all can chant slowly. There is no need to hurry or rush. So please try to maintain the same pace calmly you chant. So even in the assessment, you enjoy your chanting and others also will enjoy it. And also please try to maintain the same pitch. Shreyan Swadharmo.
Shreyan Swadharmo Vigunaha Paradharmat Swanushtitat Swadharme Nidhanam Shreyaha Paradharmo Bhayavaha Arjuna Uvacha Athakena Prayuktoyam Papam Charati Purushaha Anichannapi Varshneya Baladiva Niyojitaha Shri Bhagavan
Mahodaya. Yeah, you can chant Shri Bhagan. That shloka you can finish.
Shri Bhagavanuvacha Kama Esha Krodha Eshaha Rajo Guna Samudbhavaha Mahashano Mahapapma Vidhyena Miha Vairinam Vairinam.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Please note the changes which I told you. Good effort. So please memorize, and all of you please memorize the Dhyana Shlokaha also. Now we have our Vihan. He is Vihan, you can share your webcam. There is no webcam, is it, Vihan, for you? Please unmute, Vihan.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we'll have mock assessment for Vihan now. Okay, Vihan, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you lower your screen a little bit? Yes. Okay. So this is more like an assessment because everyone will be seen on video that day, and everyone else also can see on video because he's a panelist. He is able to share his webcam. Vihan, which chapters?
Ma'am, 13 to 15.
Okay. Could you start with Sarvopanishado? Have you memorized Dhyana Shlokas?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Please memorize. I will start with the 13th chapter then.
Okay, ma'am.
Can't hear you, Vihan.
Ma'am, now?
Vihan. You can sit. Yes, now it's fine.
Shri Paramatmane Namaha Atha Trayodashodhyayaha Kshetra Kshetrajna Vibhaga Yogaha Shri Bhagavanuvacha Idam Shariram Kaunteya Kshetramityavidhiyate Etadyo Vettitam Prahuhu Kshetrajna iti tadvidah Kshetrajnyan chapi mam vidhi Sarvakshetreshu bharata Kshetra kshetrajnayot jnanam Yattadjnanam matam mama
Indriyartheshu
Indriyartheshu vairagyam Anahankara evacha Janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha doshanudarshanam Asaktiranahishvangha putra darajahadisho Nityan sasamachittatvam Ashtanushtopapattishu Mayi jananya yogena Bhaktiravyavicharini Viviktadehasavitvam Arajana samsadi Adhyatmajnana nityatvam Tattvajnanarthadarshanam Etajnanamiti proktam Ajnanaya gatonyatha
Sanjayate
Yavat sanjayate kinchit Sattvam sthavara jangamam Kshetra तं परमेश्वरं विनश्यत्स्व विनश्यन्तं यः पश्यति स पश्यति समं पश्यति
भूयः प्रवक्ष्यामि.
परं भूयः
Start from
प्रवक्ष्यामि.
Shri Bhaga. You can start from Shri Bhagavan Uvacha because this is the first shloka, right?
Okay.
Okay.
श्रीभगवानुवाच परं भूयः प्रवक्ष्यामि ज्ञानानाम्यानमुत्तमम् यज्ञात्वा मुनयः सर्वे परां सिद्धिमितो गताः इदं ज्ञानमुपाश्रित्य मम साधर्म्यमागताः सर्गेऽपि नोपजायन्ते प्रलयेन व्यथन्ति च
सर्वद्वारेषु
सर्वद्वारेषु देहेऽस्मिन् प्रकाशगमनामयम् सुखसङ्गेन बध्नाति ज्ञानसङ्गेन चानघ.
Vihan, just a second. It is Sarvadvareshu Dehesmin Prakasha Upajayate. Jnanai Yada Tada Vidyad Vivruddham Sattvamityuta. Okay. Again, the shloka.
सर्वद्वारेषु देहेऽस्मिन् प्रकाश उपजायते ज्ञाने यदा तदा विद्यात् विवृद्धं सत्त्वमित्युत लोभः प्रवृत्तिरारम्भः कर्मणामशमस्पृहा रजस्येतानि जायन्ते विवृद्धे भरत विवृद्धे कुरु नन्दन.
So memory, all these you'll have to memorize properly, okay, so that you're more confident. Okay, Vihan, you can chant Gunanetan Atityatrin.
गुणानेतान् अतीत्यत्रीन् देही देहसमुद्भवान् जन्म मृत्युजरा दुःखैः विमृक्तोऽमृतमश्नुते. अर्जुन उवाच कैर्लिङ्गैस्त्रीन् गुणानेतान् अतीतो भवति प्रभो किमाचारः कथञ्चैतान् त्रीन् गुणान् अतिवर्तते. श्रीभगवानुवाच प्रवृत्तिं च मोहमेव च पाण्डव न द्वेष्टि सम्प्रवृत्तानि न निवृत्तानि काङ्क्षति. ममैवांशो जीवलोके जीवभूतः मनस्यष्टानीन्द्रियाणि प्रकृतिस्थानि कर्षति शरीरं यदवाप्नोति यश्चाप्युत्क्रामतीश्वरः गृहीत्वैतानि संयाति वायुर्गन्धानि वाशयात् श्रोत्रं चक्षुस्पर्शनं च रसनं घ्राणमेव च अधिष्ठाय मनश्चायं विषयानुपसेवते.
Dhanyavadaha Vihan. Dhanyavadaha. Well chanted. Okay. Please practice the memorization, as in the order of shlokas and exactly the words which are there in each verse. Okay. So for memory test, you will be marked on all these also. Well chanted. Vihan, please also learn the Dhyana shlokaha. Okay. Dhanyavadaha. Also, another thing, just generally for everyone during the assessment, in case there are kids who need technical assistance to log in, etc. Any parents or elders can help. And also similarly for elders who might need help, or any one of you who needs help with logging in, etc., any other friend or family member can help you, but they are not supposed to say anything during the assessment, as in they are not supposed to prompt you with the shlokas, etc. So please keep that in mind. They can be there, but no prompting. So that would be noted by the judges. Everyone is appreciating you, Vihan. Well chanted. Dhanyavadaha. I think there was one more person who said that yes, there will be assessment for Raghuvira Gadyam also. We will send out the email. There was one more person who said that she had practiced 1 to 3 chapters. Could you let me know who? There are too many messages here. Rupa Bhagini. First 3 chapters you've registered for. Rupa Bhagini, please unmute. Yes, please unmute, Rupa Bhagini.
Hello.
You.
Can you hear me, ma'am?
I can hear you. Have you memorized the
Yes.
Dhyana Shloka?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, great. Okay. Sarvopanishado.
Sarvopanishado gavo dugdha gopalanandanaha partho vatsasudhir bhokta dugdham geetamrutam mahat.
Yam Brahma.
Yam Brahma Varunendra Rudra Marutah Stunvanti Divyaistavaihi Vedai Sangapadakramopanisadaihi Gayanti Yam Samagaha Dhyanavasthita Tatgatena Manasa Pashyanti Yan Yoginaha Yasyantanna Vidussura Suraganaha Devaya Tasmai Namaha.
Start with the first shloka of the first chapter, Bhagini.
Dhutarashtra.
So when we say this, you could start Atha Prathamodhyaya. Please also all of you, please memorize the name of the chapter and the yoga. So the judges might ask you to recite Prathamodhyaya, Arjuna Vishada Yoga. If they ask you to start, you could start with that itself. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Atha Prathamodhyayah Arjuna Vishada Yogaha Dhutarashtra Uvacha Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Mamakah Pandavaschaiva Kimakurvata Sanjaya.
Here it is Mamakaha. I heard it as Mamakah.
Mamakaha Pandavaschaiva Kimakurvata Sanjaya.
Tasya Sanjanayan Harsham.
Tasya Sanjanayan Harsham. Tasya Sanjanayan Harsham Kuru Vruddha Pitamaha Simhanado Vinadhyochaihi Shankhan Dadmau Pratapavan Tata Shankhaschcha Bhairyascha Panavanaka Gomukhaha. Sorry, ma'am. Sahasaivaabhyahanyant sashabdastu mulo bhavat tatashvetairhariryukte mahatisyandane sthito madhavah pandavaschaiva divyau shankhau pradhadmatuhu karmanyevadhikaraste Ma phaleshu kadachana.
All of you note, it is not phaleshu, it is phaleshu. Pha.
Okay. Karmanyevad.
There is pha in Sanskritam. It should be pha, not pha. Not like Hindi.
Pha. No.
Yes.
Pha. Pha. Pha.
Yes.
Pha.
Yes. Yes.
Karmanyevadhikaraste मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्म फलहेतुः मा ते संगोऽस्त्व कर्मणि
मा कर्म फलहेतुर्भूः
मा कर्म फलहेतुर्भुः मा ते
It's not phala, it is phala. Pha.
मा कर्म फलहेतुर्भुः मा
Hetuhu, not bhuhu. It is bhuhu. Bhu, dirgha.
ओके कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्म फलहेतुर्भुः मा ते संगोऽस्त्व कर्मणि
Please practice, Bhagini. It is again, I'm hearing it as karma phala hetur bhuhu. It is bhuhu. There is a difference between bhuhu and bhuhu. Bhuhu
Okay.
would be okay. Please listen to the recording. You could continue. Yogastha kuru.
योगस्थः कुरु कर्माणि सङ्गं त्यक्त्वा धनञ्जय सङ्गं त्यक्त्वा धनञ्जय सिद्धसिद्ध्यो सम
Siddhya, it's not siddha.
सिद्ध्यो
Siddhya, siddhyo. Both there is a year.
सिद्धसिद्ध्यो सम
It is not siddha, siddhyo. Siddhya, siddhyo, samo.
सिद्ध्यसिद्ध्यो सम भूत्वा समत्वं योग उच्यते
Nahi kaschit.
न हि कश्चित् क्षणमपि जातु तिष्ठत्य कर्मकृत कार्यते ह्यवशः कर्म सर्वप्रकृतिजैर्गुणैः
Here, Bhagini, it is jatu tishthatya karma krita. It is not jatu tishthatya karma krita. There it is a hrasva. Jatu, short letter. Jatu tishthatya karma krita.
जातु तिष्ठत्य कर्मकृत कार्यते ह्यवशः कर्म सर्वप्रकृतिजैर्गुणैः
Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Please
Thank you,
practice.
ma'am. Yeah.
And also, all of you, please note, please avoid repeating second time to recollect, because judges will note this also. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm chanting for first time and I'm so nervous. So sorry.
Bhagini, you've done a great job. Please don't be sorry. You've done a great job. I'm so proud of you. You've learned the 3 chapters. These are just, this assessment is also to help you gain more confidence and also to help you avoid the mistakes so that you can.
No, last
improvise.
time I missed to chant. First time I joined at 18th chapter.
Oh,
And
great, Bhagini. And you are memorizing it. You have memorized it well. But it's my duty to point out so that you get
no,
even.
thank you, madam. I need that. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Listen to the recording, and you still have time. By now, you have already memorized, so you have ample time to improvise. Very well done, Bhagini.
I will do that. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Very good. Very good. Dhanyavadaha. Really proud of all those who have memorized already. So we don't have time anymore today. I will take up in the next class the rest of you. Today I wanted to start with those who have completed memorization, so that then we can move to Parayanam. Yes, for Parayanam, like some of you have asked, we are going to mention the chapter number and the verse number. For example, if it is Nahi Kaschit Kshanamapi, I will be telling you, please chant Nahi Kaschit Kshanamapi, chapter 3, 5th verse. So I am going to mention, or even the judges, whoever, they are going to mention the beginning of the verse, the number of the chapter, and the number of the shloka. So that would be for reading test, but not for memorization test. For memorization test, we will only tell you the starting of the verse. So we have another webinar starting. Last time also we ended a bit late, so they had to start the webinar. Next class, again, please join us at the same time. This entire month we have, so you'll have ample opportunities to chant individually. Those who didn't chant this class will get a chance in the next class. So next class is mostly, I think, going to be Parayanam itself. Most of you who have given your names for Parayanam, you will be able to chant in the next class. Any more questions, please send me an email. Let us conclude. Yatra Yogeshwarah Krishnah Yatra Partho Dhanurdharah Tatra Shrirvijayo Bhutihi Dhruvani Tirmatirmama. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Sarvebhyah dhanyavadaha. We will see you in the next class. And please do practice and come for the mock assessment. Dhanyavadaha. 18th chapter we have not uploaded. We will upload. Sorry about that. I will see to it that it is uploaded. The last webinar's recording. Dhanyavadaha. Ram Ram Ram.